I think you have multi-factor authentication in place. It's a real big one. I mean, that's one of the really good overall kind of, measures that anyone should try and make.
CTIO 101, Business Technology, Simplified and Shared, sponsored by Fairmont Recruitment, hiring technology professionals across the UK and Europe. Don't forget to subscribe.
But the MFA point is really interesting. Again, just to keep stressing the human element of this, is a real bonus of MFA. Obviously, it's got its key requirements that, having that second login does give you that extra security. People can't just bypass systems and whatnot. But actually just having the time to think, because when you have these phishing attacks and these whaling attacks, again, they do them in ways that are either apply pressure or they catch people off guard or people aren't expecting. And again, the classic one is having a fake CEO reach out to a junior member of staff and be like, I want to pick you for this special task, and they get all excited or whatever. But actually having that moment to think as you tap in the number or the password or whatever, you go, hold on, they've never spoken to me before. Why are they suddenly giving me this task?
Watch the full ransomware episode now and learn the strategies that can stop you having to pay these extortionists. Without these countermeasures in place, payment will sadly be the default option.